new European combat drone has appeared in Berlin. Its name is Airbus U760 Ravenstorm, and at first glance, it looks like another futuristic, loyal wingman concept. A sleek, unmanned jet, a stealth-shaped body, missiles beside it, and the usual promise of manned-unmanned teaming. But Ravenstorm is more interesting than that. This is not an operational aircraft yet. It is not a combat-proven drone, and there is no public evidence that a flying prototype already exists. What Airbus showed at ILA Berlin 2026 was a full-scale model. But the timing is the important part. Europe's future combat aircraft plans are under pressure. The continent still wants sixth-generation airpower, combat cloud, autonomous drones, and independent weapons integration. But the manned fighter side of that vision has been moving slowly, with political and industrial problems getting harder to hide. So Ravenstorm arrives at a very specific moment. It is not just a drone reveal, it is Airbus showing what Europe could still build, even if the next manned fighter takes longer than expected. Hello and welcome to Airbus Defense Intelligence. The U760 Ravenstorm is described as an uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft. In simple terms, it is designed to fly with manned fighters like Eurofighter, F-35, and future European combat aircraft. Its job is not to replace the pilot. Its job is to move risk, weapons, sensors, and electronic warfare closer to the threat. The known dimensions already show that this is not a small, expendable drone. Ravenstorm is around 13 meters long, with a wingspan of about 10 meters. The displayed performance class points to a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 6 tons, with more than 500 kilograms of payload and high subsonic speed. That puts it in a serious combat drone category, not a cheap quadcopter, not a surveillance-only UAV, not a slow propeller platform. This is a jet-powered combat aircraft without a cockpit. The design also tells us what Airbus is aiming for. Ravenstorm uses a dorsal air intake on top of the fuselage, swept wings, and outward canted twin-tail surfaces. That shape is not accidental. It reduces the frontal exposure of the engine intake, leaves more room under the body for payload, and follows the basic logic of low observable combat drones. The engine has not been named, the radar has not been named, the EO/IR system has not been named. A lot of videos will probably call it a stealth drone and then invent details around it. But the honest reading is more careful. Airbus has revealed the role, the shape, the mission system, and the payload direction. The exact engine, sensors, internal bays, range, endurance, and combat radius are still unknown. But what is known is already enough to understand the concept. Ravenstorm is being built around Airbus's Mars mission system. This is the brain of the project. Mars is meant to connect crewed and uncrewed aircraft, fuse data, manage sensors and effectors, support autonomy, and allow different platforms to operate as one networked force. That is the key. A loyal wingman is not valuable just because it can fly. It becomes valuable when a pilot can send it forward, use it as a sensor node, fire weapons through it, let it jam enemy radars, or make it absorb the first layer of danger before the manned aircraft has to commit. In a future air battle, a Eurofighter or F-35 may not want to fly directly into the most dangerous zone. Ravenstorm can move ahead, carry missiles, extend the formation's reach, and complicate the enemy's air defense picture. This is where the weapons become important. The Ravenstorm model was shown with Meteor air-to-air missiles and Spear air-to-surface weapons. That does not automatically mean final integration is complete, but it clearly shows the intended mission profile. Meteor points toward the missile truck role. A manned fighter could detect or classify a target, while the unmanned aircraft carries extra beyond visual range missiles closer to the fight. That gives the formation more shots without putting another pilot at risk. Spear points toward precision strike and seed support. A drone like Ravenstorm could carry small standoff weapons against radars, launchers, command nodes, or air defense support systems. And with electronic warfare payloads, it could also act as a stand-in jammer, flying closer to hostile sensors and disrupting them from inside the threat zone. So the platform is not only about shooting, it is about forcing the enemy to solve too many problems at the same time. Is that unmanned aircraft carrying Meteor? Is it carrying Spear? Is it acting as a jammer? Is it a decoy? Is it feeding targeting data to something behind it? That uncertainty is part of the weapon. There is also a strategic layer here. Europe has world-class missiles. It has experienced fighter manufacturers. It has Eurofig. What are your thoughts? I really like replying personally to your comments.